excited to share this incredible offer that starts now, today, and goes till the end of May 2021. Who wants to get a free Desert Mist Diffuser? This is retail value $139.55. So YL have launched the Join YL and Receive CEO Enrolment promotion today, only until the end of the month 2021. And in a nutshell, anyone who enrolls with their choice of 100 PV, that's about $200 of product, using the customized enrollment order option, you will receive a free Desert Mist Diffuser. It will be an investment of about $200 depending on what products you choose to purchase. And if you are reactivating your account, you will need to call Young Living for Australian residents on 1300 289 536, and for New Zealand residents 0800 699 536. So this offer is only for Australian and New Zealand residents. It is only available from now till the end of May 2021, and I will include the terms and conditions in the comments. So add a comment to this video or send me an email to ylsunshinediamonds@gmail.com and I will contact you on how to get started. Remember to put in my member number 110-9200 or the number of the person who introduced you. Thank you, and I hope this gets some of you started. Best to do monthly orders because you get cheaper shipping. You also get points towards free products, but this can also be for those who just want to do a one-off order and get started with Young Living. Have a great one. Bye.